Hey lads, it's me, Uncle Alex here. Today we have a heavy-duty metal fidget spinner by PDL TM. It says hand spinner up here. It says it helps with focusing and anxiety/stress. On the back, it's just got some other fidget spinners. So let's get this opened. See how good she spins. So as you can see, it's a two-piece fidget spinner. Oh, spins pretty good. So the fidget spinner here, it's spinning pretty fast. I've never had a two-piece one before, but they're harder to spin than three pieces. But it's got a cool color scheme with a gold for the thing here in the middle and silver for the rest of it, which is a good color scheme I always love in things, and it looks really good in a fidget spinner, especially a two-piece one, because I don't think it'd look as good in a three-piece fidget spinner. What do you guys think? Also, what type of fidget spinners do you guys like more, the two-piece ones or the three-piece ones? I'll leave that to you to decide down in the comments. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go get my other fidget spinner. So let me just go get that. And we're going to see what fidget spinner fidget spins the fastest and longest. So let's spin this one, and let's spin this one. Well, one do you think's gonna spin faster? Comment down in the comments below, guys. I think the gold one's gonna spin longer, but you never know. Yeah, the gold and silver one looks like it's slowing down. But they both do, actually, but the gold and silver one looks like it's slowing down a bit more faster. Yeah. The gold one, I think, is definitely going to win. Yeah, it looks like, well, they're both getting pretty slow now, actually. I don't know, maybe the gold one will stop first, or maybe it'll be a tie, even. Yeah, the silver one stopped there now, as you can see. So now let's just go over to the gold one and see how long this one has left. I don't think it's going to be very long. Okay, that's good enough. But as you lads can see, my $30 fidget spinner is still better than this one, which I got for $1 actually. So that makes a lot of sense. But yeah, I'd like to thank you guys watching. Thank you guys for watching this episode of Toy Uncles. Make sure you follow our Twitter, and make sure you like this video, comment down below, make sure you drop down to the info box and smash that subscribe button. Make sure to press that bell too, so you'll be notified by our uploads. Yeah, this is Uncle Alex signing out with a cool fidget spinner. Yeah, fidget spinners. I love fidget spinners. Yeah.